There is an incredibly intense, quiet panic rippling through the ultra-portable tech industry right now, and it is happening because a single device that easily slides into a jacket pocket is about to completely erase the dividing line between compact convenience and raw, uncompromised pro-grade power. For years, the tablet landscape has forced a brutal compromise upon us. If you wanted absolute mobility, something you could comfortably hold in one hand on the subway, read on a flight, or carry everywhere without a backpack, you had to accept second-class status. You got older processors, screens plagued by distracting jelly scrolling, and hardware that choked the exact second you tried to run intensive creative apps or heavy multitasking workflows. If you demanded pro-grade color accuracy, blistering speeds, and deep contrast levels, the industry forced you to buy massive, heavy 11 or 13-inch slates that completely ruined the concept of spontaneous portability. But behind the closed doors of Apple Park, a radical plan has been quietly moving through the supply chain. Apple looked at the fiercely loyal, highly vocal community of small form factor enthusiasts and decided to execute a hostile takeover of the entire compact media space. That plan has officially leaked through internal software builds and manufacturing pipelines, revealing a machine that completely rewrites the rules of mobile silicon. It is the Apple iPad Mini 8. This is not a lazy, incremental spec bump designed to casually milk an existing product line. It is a fundamental, aggressive re-engineering of the compact tablet archetype. If you have been holding on to an older tablet waiting for the exact moment to upgrade, or if you are tired of carrying devices that feel too bulky for your daily life, but too weak for your creative thoughts, you need to listen very closely, because the iPad Mini 8 does not just refine the small tablet experience, it completely shatters the ceiling of what portable technology is allowed to achieve, leaving the rest of the industry looking entirely prehistoric. To truly comprehend the scale of the disruption happening here, you have to look directly at the primary interface between your eyes and the machine. For generations, the smallest iPad was held back by traditional liquid crystal displays that suffered from washed-out contrast levels, graying blacks, and a slow refresh rate that made fast scrolling feel muddy and unpolished. The iPad Mini 8 throws that entire legacy in the trash, stepping into the future with a magnificent, highly advanced organic light-emitting diode display. This is the exact same self-illuminating pixel technology that stunned the world on the premium iPad Pro lines, now meticulously shrunk down into a hyper-dense, razor-sharp compact footprint. The visual impact of this shift is nothing short of jarring. When you turn on the screen, the black levels are absolute. They do not emit a faint glow. They turn completely off, blending seamlessly into the physical bezel of the frame. This creates an unyielding contrast ratio that makes colors punch through with an almost violent level of saturation and realistic depth. Whether you are reviewing high dynamic range footage on a remote film set, editing high-resolution photographs where every single pixel demands color accuracy, or streaming cinematic content in a dark room, the image doesn't just sit on the glass. It swallows your field of view entirely. Backed by next-generation promotion technology, the screen dynamically scales its refresh rate up to a buttery smooth 120 Hz, completely eliminating the lag and stuttering that haunted previous iterations. Every scroll